Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Divya. I am an occupational therapist at Spinal Fluid Plus Rehabilitation Center, Pune. Today I am going to explain what is sensory integration is. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is sensory integration is? To explain in simple language, it is just integration of all senses which are relevant to complete a task. Our senses are broadly divided into two parts, that is interoceptive and exteroceptive. Interoceptive senses are that senses which we receive from our internal organs, like feeling of hunger when our stomach is empty. And what are exteroceptive? So exteroceptives are like information or sensation receiving from external environment. So these are divided into 7 different types. So first, that is vision or visual, the sensations which we get through external environment and via our eyes. Next is olfactory, that is the sense of smells through our nose. Third is gustatory, the sense of taste through our tongue. Fourth is auditory, the sense of hearing or hearing the voice surrounding ourselves and which is received through our ears. And next is proprioception. So what is the proprioception? Proprioception is body awareness, and body awareness means our body and with the external environment, that is within with the space and even with our body parts. For example, I can clap my hands with my closed eyes. So this sensation is called proprioception sensation, and these sensations are received from our joints, even a small joint. Next is tactile. So tactile sensation is like a sense of touch that we receive from our receptors which are located on our skins, and this is located all over our body. Third is vestibular. So what is now vestibular? Vestibular is awareness of body balance. So whenever we balance ourselves, the semicircular fluid or the fluid which is in the semicircular canal moves, and this movement of semicircular fluid or the fluid which is situated in this canal sends the signals, or the brain detects that signal or detects that movement of fluid and gives us information to be in a upright position or to maintain in the balanced position. Now let's move what is the sensory integration. So these are the senses, that is vision, olfactory, gustatory, auditory, proprioception, tactile, vestibular. So using these all sensations or sometimes using relevant sensations to complete a task. Let's take an example. A kid playing cricket. We will take a small incident like hitting a ball with a bat. So now when the kid is standing with the bat holding in his hand. Okay. Now visual senses are working that the ball is approaching towards him. Now he has to be ready to hit the ball. So he will take stance position and swing position. Here our proprioception comes in hand, and even vestibular, because while hitting the ball he has to swing his arms. So we have to maintain the upright position. So vestibular. And the force which is required to hit the ball, here where the proprioception comes in role, that is to apply the particular amount of a force to hit the ball. And as soon as the ball hits the bat and the sound which is received by auditory sensation or auditory in the sound which is received through the ball, here when the kid knows that he completed his task. So this is the simple task in which he used his visual sensation, like the ball is approaching towards him, and next he used his vestibular sensation because he has to be in stance position and hit the ball through the swing position, and doing this he have to maintain his upright position. So here it is vestibular, and proprioception is that the force he required to hit the ball with the bat. And fifth is the vestibular, auditory, that is the sound of hitting the ball to the bat. So here it is auditory. So here he used 4 integration and filtering all other sensation, like someone is shouting behind from him and someone is doing movement in front of him. So distracting or filtering all those extra information and receiving only relevant information to complete a task is necessary. So this is called sensory processing. And to explain in a simple flow chart is like receiving the sensation from outside, organizing the sensation, processing the sensation and completing the task. And this is called the sensory integration. So in further video we can explain, so I can explain to what is importance of sensory integration and what if there is a problem in between this processing that will lead to sensory integration disorders, because overall these sensations are important for socializing, to learn and to function as a normal person in day-to-day life. Thank you.
No, that's it.
Yes,